What is up, guys? Back again with another video. I'm with the usual boys, Nick, the everything guy, and Redbeard TV, and obviously me. See him in the background there. And we are going to explore this place. It's actually a house, so we'll check back when we're in, guys. So there's the house. That isn't the house, but this is part of it. It's like garages and stuff like that. This is the house though. So we'll go in here and have a look what's occurring. How you going? How's it going, guys? Oh, lovely toilet. I love a good toilet. Look at the greenery.
Modern plaster look.
Oh yeah. Wow, that's a good still. Yeah. Okay guys, so we're in the house. Actually it was a random find, wasn't it, Redbeard TV? Yeah, well, there's a church over the road, but I caught this out the corner of my eye. Oh, is that part of an oven? Caught this out the corner of my eye, it was actually over the road. Oh wow. This ain't even that old, to be honest. Yeah, this ain't old at all, is it?
No, but if you want skaters, go upstairs.
Why? Is it really bad, is it? No, I'm going to check upstairs, because apparently if you want rabies, you go upstairs. Fucking hell. Jesus Christ. Oh my god, the amount of bird crap in here is next level. Jesus. Like I say, this isn't actually that much of an old house, to be honest. But it certainly needs some work. Oh, it stinks. That is really bad. Yeah, that's bad up there, mate. That stinks. So we've got the barns over here as well. We'll check out the barns. You're enjoying life, Nick. So that was the church that we was actually meant to be trying to get into. So I looked over the road and then we seen this house and I just knew instantly it was abandoned. So check out this place now. Redbeard's in there, just shitting me up then. Just gonna have a look, let's try and get this light on a minute. Apparently it's on, there we go. So this would have been stables by the looks of it, really. I'm guessing. I don't know 100%, but yeah.
How far is your phone in there? I want to get a decent thumbnail with this. It's not. Take a picture in my WhatsApp. Yeah. I want to take a picture of your screen.
Wow. It's pretty cool. What's it like in there, Carl? How did you get in? Flying? Is it worth
Well, you could go and film it if you want, make a video about it another 2 minutes longer.
There's not much to this place, to be fair. That would have been something that's also burnt down in the past. Had a look in the barn, there's not much going for itself in there, not really anything to look at. House is cool though. House is really cool. Alright guys, that was the house. It's going to be a little short video. I do like the short ones though, and I've had comments as well, and a few of you guys do like the short videos as well, so that's good. Shout out to all the boys. If you've been watching for a long time, you know exactly who they are anyway, so I'm not going to shout out their names all the time. Yeah, until next time guys, it's been me, Through the Lens, and we have been walking through an abandoned house and a barn. Until next time guys, have a good one. Look at these sorry sort of eyes. Don't they just look sexy? Really is a shame we couldn't get into the church. That would have been a second church on our list. Still, that house was cool.